Hi, fifth grade. How we doing? It is what we're calling day five. I am putting this day five up on something called Earth Day. I know we've talked about Earth Day before in classes and everything like that. It's a hard way to celebrate, but well, we're all locked in our houses. But let's try anyway. So I'm going to show you. I'm putting up a day five today. I'm going to kind of walk you through where I want you to go, what kind of areas maybe would be beneficial to you. So I am going to show you some on my screen, walk you through a couple of things. Hopefully you're watching these videos, so I'm not just out here talking to myself. They can be helpful to you, and so on. All right, here we go. Let's look at where we're going to go. Here is Google Classroom today. I have two parts. I have a day five that has some stuff, beautiful little note in there for me. We're going to do some front desk today, front desk questions. Those questions are just going to be you answering, not on everyone else's, okay? I think we have a few more people getting on, so I don't want to confuse you today with a ton of questions. Do these. If you need to go back and catch up on anything, great. Tomorrow when we do our group chat, I'm going to talk about front desk, kind of like what we do in class. Ask questions, do a group chat with it, just see where we're going. What do we think of the story? So if you haven't done that, we're going to do chapter 51 to chapter 59. Then something with Khan Academy, multiplying fractions today, a little review on that. Here's what I would like. Hopefully when you click this, it takes you to it does right here, this page. Don't play the video yet. Thank you. I am looking for, can you multiply fractions on the number line? You can go through and practice this one. You can do this one. If you feel like you just want to practice and you know it all, then do that. Here's what I'm looking for though. These 1, 2, 3, 4 at least. And then if you want to go in 5 and 6, I would try multiply fractions and whole numbers on your own, unless you need that little quick jump through. That's all. All right, so I'm not going to talk much about that. Oh no, this thing is locking me out. That's not what I want. Hey, look at me. There I am again. Here we are, back to it. I put this Bryce Canyon thing here. So I had to share it on Newsella, which is a website which we've used before, and they would only share the link, and I'll show you why. But I put the questions here, so you might not be able to use them. You might have to write them on a piece of paper and answer them. They're just for you to look at. And I put a couple of images of a time that I went to Bryce Canyon, so you get to see some live images. All right, here's what I really want to show you. If I go to day 5, part 2, it says this, Newsella sign in. This is our virtual field trip, right? Since it's Earth Day, I thought maybe we go look at some part of Earth and how and why it's important to keep nature intact and healthy and beautiful, right? So if you click on it, it will probably take you, hopefully don't take me to where I wanted to this spot, right? I have all my stuff saved, my email, my password. If you don't, you could put in your Google Classroom password, user, email, and password, and that would be fine. Or you can try signing in with Google right here, and it should take you to this. And then I click on my Mesa account, and I allow all of this. We did this in class a couple times, but I don't know if it stayed with us. I don't want that, but it takes me here. So this is a whole different thing. It's not just an article. If you're interested in some of the articles, there's 2 down here. But this is the printable worksheet. I keep pointing today. Printable worksheet that I gave you in day 5. Here's the tour. If you click on it, it takes you to this lovely, use your headphones, Google Art takes you into this area, and they give you on this wonderful virtual tour of the park. I hope this all works for everyone. I would love to see what you have to think about it. I will actually, you know what? I am going to. I will put in something about leaving comments if you did it. All right. Or actually, you know what? Put your comments. Sorry. Put your comments in the comment section where you guys have been commenting the whole time. Guys, I also will put up a schedule. I shared that schedule. It's actually right down on our stream. This lovely long thing, right? This is how this week's gonna go, right? We're gonna do Google Classroom on Monday. If anyone has questions, I am available 11 to 2. I will be on a WebEx meeting. You can come in, ask me any question you have, and we can go. If you just want to have a one-on-one talk with me, that's fine too. We'll do that. Tomorrow, I will put up the weekly packet and a math video and maybe the science video. And then at 12 o'clock will be our conference. And then Wednesday will be the same thing. I'll put up a day 6. I'll have what I call chat hours, where 11 to 2, if we want to get together in small groups or one-on-one, we can. Thursday, I will share some packet work. And then we'll do a 12 o'clock class conference where you can talk about what you want to do. All right. All right, guys. Have a great day. If you need to talk to me, remember, get onto the message board. I am going to stop there. I'm going to end it, and I will see you guys sometime later. Bye.